Assalamu alaikum everyone, once again welcome back to another video. So this is Rahan Ahmed, welcome back. So guys, a very good morning to you. So I'm somewhere in the road. So guys, I'm gonna for physical exercise. So you are able to see it's I'm somewhere at road. So I'm going for physical exercise, and you are able to see this is a vegetable street market. Okay, and there are some people in the road. Okay, and it is around 7 a.m. So people density is very low. So after some time, or 8 or 9 p.m. and 8 or 9 a.m., there will be a lot of people. And the sky is very cloudy, as well as I'm going for physical exercise bank of the river. Okay, you can see there are some people. There there are some vegetable and as well as fruits, okay, available here. So the sky is very cloudy, you were able to see. You can see there is a number of vehicle in the road. Once upon a time, there was or it was very backward and very wet condition in the road. There was no road. There were a lot of boat, and the communication system was very wet condition, and there were a lot of boats were only the main communication system. So but nowadays, and there are lot of vehicle available. So this is a remote area. Okay, so and morning time, this is why there are no people. There are no lot of people. Okay, There, there are some shop open. There are some shop is open. So I'm gonna for physical exercise. So it seems to be football. So after some time, you people will be able to see what kind of exercise I will do. Okay. So guys, the sky is very cloudy and yeah, you are able to see this is old market and I'm going for physical exercise bank of the river or in the river side. 2 to 3 minutes around I will have to walk. So it is rainy season. Okay, so this is why sky is too cloudy. But 2 months ago there there was occurred flood and paddy producing group. I'm trying to say the farmer lost their cultivated or cultivate product like for instance paddy and any other harvest they lost for early flood. But uh, after lost their harvest, uh, every single person thought that throughout the year all group of people will get a lot of fish, a lot of fishes, but they are completely demotivated because there were not enough rain or there are no enough water in the field, river. So this is why there are no enough fishes, as well as some of our unconscious people, they don't understand what time we should catch fish. So what time will be suitable to catch fish. That's why last couple of years we didn't get enough fishes because we caught very small fishes and early time we caught fish, so this is why we don't get enough fish. Okay, so have we should have break uh, to get lot of fish. So I would like to request to the government. Government should take necessary step in the rainy season. The first 2 months, we should or catching fish is abandoned. Okay. So inshallah, if we follow the rules or if we respect the government rules, inshallah we will get enough fish in the river, Haor, Bahor. Okay, so you people are suffering price hike. Okay, fish market. Okay, fish market or fishes are too expensive. So that's why poor people or middle class people, they are not able to run their family properly. Okay, so we always maintain government rule, or we should respect nature. Okay, so inshallah will be able to get enough fish. মাঠও কি এই রাস্তা যাওয়া যায় না? মাঠও দিনের মাঠ আছে না নি খেলে যায় না না অন্য খেলে তো আমরা লোক না না ওইখানে খেলে কোন জায়গাতে So guys, I am somewhere at riverside. You are able to see So guys, now I'm somewhere at riverside. Wow, there are lot of boats. You can see. This is a launch guard as well. So this is why there are a lot of boats. So guys, no more today. See you some other time, and till then, assalamu alaikum. So do subscribe my channel. Inshallah, I will come back again in another video. So till then, assalamu alaikum.